Can Argentium silver be hallmarked? Yes, it can. It's hallmarked 92.5, and you can also add the Pegasus little symbol to say that it's Argentium. Can you fuse Argentium to other metals? Yes, you can. You can fuse them to any metals such as copper, such as sterling silver. The only thing to remember is that when fusing 9-carat yellow gold, for example, the gold might bleed into it. Can you oxidize Argentium? This is when you make the silver go black. Yes, you can. It might take a little bit longer, but it still oxidizes the same as sterling silver would. How do you clean Argentium? Argentium is a tarnish-resistant material, so it won't necessarily tarnish the same way in which sterling silver does. When you've polished Argentium, it's really important to remove all that grease from the surface, because the germanium in it will rise to the surface and make it look that lovely white colour. What other questions would you ask about Argentium silver?